We all want to connect with others and be liked by those around us. But how can we make someone like us? Here are some simple steps you can follow. Step 1. Show genuine interest. Take the time to listen and understand the other person. Ask open-ended questions and actively engage in the conversation. Step 2. Be kind and considerate. Show empathy and support, and be respectful of their thoughts and opinions. Step 3. Find common ground. Discover shared interests or hobbies that you both enjoy. And use them as a way to connect on a deeper level. Step 4. Be positive and optimistic. A positive attitude can be contagious and make others feel good around you. Step 5. Show authenticity. Be yourself and let your true personality shine through. People appreciate genuine individuals. Step 6. Offer help and support. Be there for others when they need assistance or encouragement. Step 7. Practice active listening. Show that you value their opinions and validate their feelings. Step 8. Maintain good body language. Smile, maintain eye contact. And use open and welcoming gestures. By following these steps, you can create genuine connections with others and increase the chances of making someone like you. Remember, building relationships takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it.